Welcome to Tax Preparation 101. Listen, when I tell you you have made a fantastic decision to learn how to become a tax preparer, I really do mean it. This is more than just a job, it's an opportunity to create a life of flexibility, financial freedom, and really make an impact on your community. Think about it like this. Taxes literally touches every single person in the United States, from your family members to the small business owners down the street. When you step into this industry, you're stepping into a role that empowers people, helps them navigate the complexities of taxes, and ultimately saves them money they can reinvest into their lives and in their businesses. Becoming a tax preparer doesn't just open up doors for you, it can transform the lives of the people you serve. Whether you're helping someone maximize on their returns, save on their tax bill, or giving a business owner peace of mind, your work directly impacts their financial well being, and that alone is powerful. This industry has changed my life, and I have seen it change the lives of so many other people. Not only does it give you the ability to earn a steady income, but it also provides the tools to scale your own business, work on your own terms, and help others achieve their financial goals. So, again, congratulations on taking this step. By the end of this course, you'll not only be equipped with the knowledge to prepare taxes, but you'll also have the foundation to build a thriving business that can make a difference in your life and the lives of others. So let's get started. So, what exactly is tax preparation and why is it so important? Tax preparation is more than just filling out forms. As a tax preparer, you'll be guiding your clients through the process of organizing and filing their tax returns to ensure they comply with the law and don't pay more than what they need to. Your job is to make sure they're maximizing deductions and credits while staying compliant all at the same time. But it's also important to remember the bigger picture. Taxes aren't just a burden, okay? They help fund the public services we all rely on, like schools, healthcare, and infrastructure. So when your client asks why taxes matter, you'll be ready to explain the importance of paying their fair share while also making sure they're not paying a dollar more than necessary. Your clients will count on you to help them avoid penalties, make the most of their deductions, and also understand how the tax system works. It's a really big responsibility, and it's also an opportunity to provide real value. As a tax preparer, you'll encounter various types of taxes. The big one is federal income tax, but you'll also need to help clients navigate state and local taxes, which can differ depending on where they live. Then there's payroll taxes, these deductions from employee paychecks. And then there's sales taxes, which we all pay when buying goods and services. Helping your clients understand how these different taxes work is key to offering comprehensive tax prep services. Now, let's go over some of the key terms you'll be using every day as a tax preparer. Now, these are just a few to begin with. I will be going over other terms throughout the course as well. If you run across a term that you may not be able to grasp understanding of, write it down. I may be going over it later in another module. If not, you will still have this term written down so that you can come back and ask within the group. Now, learning these are the building blocks of tax preparation, and they'll come up in almost every conversation with your client. First up, we have gross income. This is the total amount of money your client earns before any deductions. Think of it as the big number at the top. It includes everything from wages, interest, business income, and so on. But we don't stop there. Next is adjusted gross income, or AGI. AGI is your gross income after certain adjustments have been made. For example, contributions to a retirement account or paying student loan interest can reduce your gross income. AGI is important because it affects what deductions and what credits your clients can qualify for. Then we have taxable income. This is the part of your client's income that is actually subject to taxes. After deductions and exemptions have been applied, this number is what is considered taxable income. It's what the IRS cares about when calculating how much tax is owed. The goal here is to lower taxable income as much as possible by maximizing those deductions and credits. Finally, let's talk about Form 1040. This is the main form you'll use to file individual federal tax returns for your clients. Whether your client is a W 2 employee or runs their own business, Form 1040 is where it all comes together. Income, deductions, credits, it all goes here. Mastering this form is key. Now, let's talk about the IRS. They're the folks who collect taxes, enforce laws, and they're also the ones who process refunds, which is every taxpayer's favorite part of filing their taxes. You'll help your clients stay on good terms with the IRS by ensuring their taxes are filed accurately and on time. And if a client ever receives an IRS notice or audit, you'll be here to help guide and point them in the right direction. Your role is to help your client avoid any trouble while maximizing their return. As a tax preparer, your role is to assist taxpayers in completing their tax return. You'll help your clients gather the necessary documents and make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Your goal is to either maximize their return or help them pay as little in taxes as possible, all while ensuring everything is done within legal guidelines. Okay, tax season typically runs from January to April in the United States, with tax returns being due by April 15th. However, taxpayers can request an extension to give them extra time if needed. For a tax preparer, preparing for tax season means gathering essential documents like W-2s for wages, 1099s for freelance income, and receipts for deductions. Being organized and prepared is key to a smooth tax season. Now that we have a solid introduction to tax preparation, it's time to dive into the first step: determining filing statuses and identifying dependents. This will set the foundation for preparing the rest of the tax return. So let's move forward. I'll see you in the next video.